Can you still run?
I can run as long as you are beside me.
Vario, get up! They're escaping!
We become one family.
I only want us to be happy, Dad.
We will be, sweetheart.
Nothing will ever separate us. You're hurting my shoulder. Please join us for the family photo.
Of course, darling. Tomorrow the plan begins.
I prepared a special surprise for you. Home is in the other direction. The surprise is outside the city. Was that Dad? Just a traffic alert. Stop asking questions and enjoy Nowhere Ride. This road is closed. Not for us. The map doesn't show everything. Please take me back. Please, too late for that.
Actually brought her.
Mario trusts me completely.
After today, it must look like an accident.
Ho! Mario will believe she ran away. She lied to Dad. I have to get away!
Lisa, come back right now! Don't let her reach the road!
Hold on! I'm coming! Who is that? Leave now!
Lisa, stay with me! Please open your eyes! The river will erase everything!
We cannot be seen here.
Move! I won't let you die! Huh? Nah?
Lisa ran into the forest. I tried to stop her.
Why was she alone? Where did you last see her?
Near the mountain road. She disappeared so quickly.
I'm going to find her. Call the rescue team now. Please wake up, Lisa. Your father is looking for you.
Where am I?
In an old cabin. I pulled you out of the river.
Rosalina and Wario tried to get rid of me.
I saw what happened. I believe you.
Dad will believe her instead of me.
Your father deserves the truth. What if we never reach him? Then I will keep fighting until we do.
Common?
There is no trace of her. Someone took her.
Then she can still expose us.
Fresh tracks lead into the forest.
Find her before Mario learns the truth.
Huh? The footprints end at that cabin.
No witnesses this time.
They found us! Under the bed. Stay quiet.
Please don't leave me.
I won't. No matter what you hear, stay hidden.
Lisa, I know you're here.
Come out, and this will end quickly.
Your father cannot protect you now.
Water on the floor.
She survived.
And whoever saved her is still here.
Search every shadow.
Huh? Get away from her! You should have stayed hidden. You will never touch her again.
You ruined everything.
The truth ruined your plan, not me.
Move away from her.
No. You're not leaving! Lisa! Run!
There is nowhere left to run. Stay away from him!
Lisa, throw it at the wall!
Let him go!
What have you done?
Get out of here!
Back door, now!
Can you still run?
I can run as long as you are beside me.
Vario, get up! They're escaping! My bag!
it! We have to keep moving! You cannot hide forever!
They're heading toward the rocks!
Get inside and stay silent.
What about you?
I'll draw them away.
Wait. Something moved near those rocks.
This ends here! Not while I'm still standing. You saved me again. Then make it count. Keep running. There's a road. Keep running.
I can't feel my legs.
One more step, then another.
I trust you.
Stop! Please, there's a child! Get in! Hurry!
They're coming after us!
Then we're not staying here! Then we stop the truck!
No mistakes this time.
Drive!
They're behind us!
Don't look back! Hold on to me! That car is gaining fast! Do not let them get beside us! Faster! They are trying to force us off the road! The road is flooded! I can't go much faster!
Get beside them! Ram the rear wheel! Rosalina, brake! I can't control it! Do something! No!
We made the curve! Keep going. Do not stop until we reach the city.
Are they still coming?
Not tonight!
The wedding photo. I believed every smile.
You trusted someone who chose to betray you.
She never wanted a family. She wanted Dad and wanted me gone.
What happened was not your fault.
I'm going to tell Mario everything.
And I will tell him what I witnessed.
I was scared. I'm still scared. But I won't stay silent.
Courage doesn't mean you feel no fear. The police station is 10 minutes away.
Then it is time to tell the truth. Rosalina and Wario will answer for what they did.
Mario will finally know the truth.
I survived. Now I will speak.
Lee said? Is that really you?
I'm alive!